Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today, we're going to be talking about how to manifest your SP before Valentine's Day. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You also wouldn't want to miss out on one-on-one coaching with me, where I bring you to your desired reality step by step. What I can say for a fact is that my emails are laced with literal magic. If you would like to be spoiled, if you would like the attention to be all on you, if you would like to get your desire as quickly as possible with me in the ringer with you, sign up today at RitaKaminski.com or click the very first link in the description box down below. I know you want to. You're also more than welcome to join my members only YouTube program. You'll be getting 4 exclusive videos where I offer collective coaching. Feel free to ask me any question you may have and you'll be guided through your situation by me and be supported by a like-minded community within a safe space. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed by becoming a member. We go so much deeper into the law of assumption by learning from specific examples. So if my baddies didn't have a question that week, they still learn life-changing information. It would literally be a no-brainer to invest in yourself and join, so the link will be in the description box down below. Alternatively, you can literally just click the join button right next to my name. If members only is not available in your country or the link simply does not work, don't worry, I got you. You can join by clicking the Patreon link down below. It is the exact same program. I am so excited for this challenge, and by the time that we're done with it, you are going to be with your SP on Valentine's Day. Your SP will be your Valentine. So this is exactly what we're gonna do. We are going to pick just one affirmation. I highly recommend insert your SP's name here, is my Valentine, or I am so happy now that insert SP's name here is my Valentine, something to that effect. And we are going to be robotically affirming every single second of the day, unless you are using your brain for something like talking to someone, doing your job, thinking of what outfit you're gonna wear today. But every single time in between, which is probably 23 hours of the day to be honest, including sleep, because we are going to be affirming the same thing as we are sleeping by doing SAT, so falling asleep while we're affirming, and then our subconscious mind does that work for us. By robotically affirming 23 hours of the day, what you are doing is saturating your subconscious mind. So whenever you are saying, John is my Valentine, John is my Valentine, John is my Valentine, John is my Valentine, John is gonna be your motherfucking Valentine because he has no other choice. He can't not, because you have saturated your subconscious mind with that fact. It is the law. If it is our dominant thought for the next couple of days, it's the law. 1 or 1,000 people will move in order for you to get your manifestation, as Neville Goddard has said. All of the powers in this world and beyond will change atoms, change situations and circumstances around in such a magical way where it is not your job to figure it out. John is going to ask you to be his Valentine, and you are going to have the best time of your life with John, or whoever it is that you're manifesting. If your SP's name is John, take that as an extra sign. We are saying the exact same thing as we are going to sleep. John is my Valentine. John is my Valentine. John is my Valentine. Or John asked me to be his Valentine. Whatever sticks out for you the best. I would just suggest to keep it as simple as possible. John is my Valentine. It is short, sweet, and to the point. We are consistently saying that, repeating it over and over in our minds until we fall asleep. We will saturate our subconscious minds as we are doing that. So your subconscious mind is doing the work for you for the hours that you will be sleeping. As you are looping that information in your mind, I want you to turn on the SP overnight subliminal. So as you are affirming your own affirmation, my articulated affirmations in this Google Doc will be playing over and over and over and over and over in your mind for the entirety of the night. If you want any more information about this, I would watch this video that I uploaded 2 days ago that goes into depth about this specific style of manifesting. And this is the exciting part of the challenge. I want you to comment down below the time and the date when you are watching this video, when you are starting this challenge. It does not have to be in the morning. Start right now. And then on the 14th or the 15th of February, anytime after Valentine's Day, I want you to come back and reply back to your comment and say whether or not you have manifested your SP. You are not falling victim to the law of assumption. The law of assumption will deliver as long as your thoughts are dominantly on the fact that your SP is your Valentine. However, it is entirely up to you to succeed in this challenge. I'm really excited to read all of your comments. You know that I see all of your comments, reply to all of your comments, so I'm very looking forward to personally keep track of everyone as they are doing this challenge. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.